From outside, you can see the sign, "Welcome to Las Vegas," gift shop. Right across from the food court, same area. So you got Pizza Hut, breakfast, and over there, one of my favorites, Popeyes. Let's go take a look inside. Gift shop. We got shirts, souvenirs, cups. Coffee, cappuccino. What are these, playing cards? They are playing cards. Lunch is served. Oh look, it's me. For all of you Knights fans, here we go. It's a perfect place for you. You got your scarf, you got your teddy bears, more merchandise. There's a little bit of everything here for everybody. Even for the kiddos, for the children. Look at this. Have the kids entertained. Mickey Mouse attire. All kinds of symbols.
Keep yourself
All kinds.
safe from the COVID-19 virus. Keep a 6-foot safe distance from
got any truckers in here?
Thank you for shopping with us.
Got any truckers in here?
Stay well.
The real American hard workers. Yeah, there you go. Now, where's my name? Oscar. See, there's an Oscar in here. Jay's. Oh, it skips it. There's Owens. There's no Oscar. Dang, I was gonna buy it too. Yep. Love trucks. Good buddy. Maybe there's an Oscar in here. Oscar. Oscar. It's gotta be in here, if not. Oh, there it is. Here it is. My brother Omar too. It's crazy. How much is this? Don't say. That's neat. That's a match. Raiders attire. Raiders fans. Any football fans out here? American football fans. We got your stuff here. Ooh, some of these are pretty neat. Very, very neat. Very, very neat. Any dog lovers out there? Dog lovers. Pet lovers in general. It's pretty neat. Did anybody see their loved ones? Coco, Marcy. It's neat. Neat, neat, neat. Necklaces. Necklace, bracelets. Whatever you're looking for, we got it. Ooh, that's pretty neat. Turtle. It's neat. Okay. So up next, we're going to a different store called CD Life USA, and it's a boutique. Which one's your favorite? Which one's your favorite? Jeez. Yeah, suitcases, purses, hand purses, scarves, belts, accessories. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. 30 bucks. Who's got 30 bucks? Necklaces. Rimstones. Wow. Incredible. Time to be a female. Or not. I'm just kidding about that one. See, this is more affordable. Walmart, you better be careful. Walmart, you better be careful. So a little bit of everything here. Oh, that's cool. Little mini purses. It's cool. Sunglasses. Ah, look at these squared ones. Oh, that's cool. Jeez. Sundresses, dresses, outfits. Sorry, right behind you. And if you're here, you run out of money. At least you can tell everybody hand purse is money. Neat little place. I haven't found exactly what I want though. But I just came here to show you guys what you can get down here. Look at all these shiny. They're so shiny. They're more shiny in real life than in this video. Wow. It's crazy. Anyways, guys. Even backpacks up there. That's cool. What's your favorite? What's your favorite, guys? What's your favorite? Anyways, I'm gonna walk out of here and go do something else, but see you here soon.